In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Facebook Dating. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. You will see the familiar blue and white interface that you're used to. This is the gateway to all the features Facebook offers, including dating. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, you will need to enter your credentials. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for your dating experience. You want to ensure you're accessing your own profile to receive personalized suggestions. Once you have the app open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now, tap on the menu icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is where you can access various features and settings within the app. Tapping on this icon will reveal a list of options, including groups, events, and more. It is important to locate this menu because it serves as your navigation hub within the app. After tapping the menu icon, you will see the options unfold in front of you, guiding you to the next exciting part of your dating journey. From there, look for the dating option in the list. You may need to scroll down slightly to find it, but it should be clearly labeled. Tapping on dating will take you to a whole new section dedicated to finding potential matches. This is where the magic happens. Facebook Dating is designed to connect you with people who share similar interests and preferences. It's tailored to help you find meaningful connections. Once you tap on dating, you will be welcomed into a world of possibilities, setting the stage for your next steps. Next up, you will find yourself browsing the suggested profiles. These profiles are generated based on your preferences, location, interests, and activity on the app. You will see a variety of potential matches, each with their own photos and brief descriptions. This step is exciting because it allows you to explore a range of profiles. Take your time to look through these suggestions. You might find someone who piques your interest, which is exactly what this feature is designed for. Enjoy this browsing phase as it opens up opportunities for connections. After browsing, it's time to adjust your dating preferences. This is an essential step that can significantly improve your match suggestions. You can set parameters like age range, distance, and gender. By fine-tuning these preferences, you ensure that the profiles you see align more closely with what you are looking for. This little adjustment saves you a lot of time later by filtering out unsuitable matches. Once you have made your selections, the app will refresh the suggested profiles based on your updated criteria, enhancing your overall experience. With your preferences set, you will now see a fresh batch of profiles tailored to your liking. For each profile, you will have the option to tap like if you're interested or pass to see the next profile. This interaction is straightforward but crucial. When you tap like, it indicates your interest, potentially leading to a match if the other person reciprocates. This makes the process engaging and allows you to express your feelings easily. Remember, every tap moves you one step closer to finding someone special. Once that is done, keep engaging with the profiles. Tapping like or pass is a fun, interactive way to sift through your options. Continue to explore and connect with individuals who catch your eye. With every interaction, you are actively participating in your dating journey. This simple process can lead to exciting opportunities, so don't hesitate to engage. Stay confident and remember that each step takes you closer to your dating goals.